Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie from JustlikeJackies, and by the title of this video you can already tell we're going to be doing an updated diffusing routine. I have done 2 other videos, tips on how to diffuse, but now that my hair has gotten a little bit longer, I feel like I have changed my diffusing routine, and this is the perfect time to share that with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I will be linking the blow dryer that I'm using and the diffuser as well. The blow dryer that I'm using, this is actually my second one that I've had of this brand. This design specifically with the roses is a limited edition. I got it maybe a year ago when my other one kind of went out on me after like 3 years. But you can find it at Sally's Beauty Supply, and again I'll link it in the description box below. This one is the Extava diffuser, and I've actually grown to like it. I didn't like it at first, but I found that now that my hair is longer, it actually works a lot better for me. So these are our 2 tools that we're going to be using today. I'm going to be sharing with you how I do things a little bit different. So in my last diffusing tips video, my hair was shorter and I felt like I did need to use 2 different diffusers. Now that my hair is a little bit longer, I just cannot stand diffusing for that long. So I normally let it dry, I want to say about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe sometimes a little bit longer than that. Right now I'm maybe on like an hour and a half of drying time, so that gel cast has really formed on my hair. The first thing that I'm going to do differently that I didn't do before is I'm now hovering over the length of my hair first as opposed to drying the roots first. So this is a technique that I've adopted, kind of let that gel cast form right here, mostly in the middle, and then I work my way up at a later time. Something different that I've noticed by hovering over my hair is that I'm maintaining the definition. I'm not messing or manipulating with my hair a lot. I'm not touching it. I'm just simply hovering over it. And also I feel like the airflow is kind of getting and seeping into those inner places rather than, I don't know, before I was using the Diffuser to get right in there, which was awesome, but it made me hot. I don't know how to explain it. It also made me hot because I'm putting the concentrated heat right on my scalp. So this time I'm kind of just letting the air flow. I feel like it kind of helps me with volume when I do that. So this is something that I've noticed just that helps me with volume and definition at the same time when I'm hovering the diffuser right over my hair. I will normally continue to hover over my hair until I feel like, right now I want to say it's about 75% dry. So when I feel like it's bumped up to like 85 or 90, that's when I know that I can move on to the next step. Right now hovering over is just pretty much allowing whatever parts are remaining wet from that gel cast to kind of dry up a little bit. One thing that has not changed is that I'm still diffusing my hair completely upside down for the most part. Sometimes, yes, I'll go to the side like this, but to get that back part really dry, I definitely flip my head all the way over. Most of the time I'm sitting in my office chair and I put my phone on the ground and I'm just watching something on my phone and literally just doing this all over my hair. Also, while I'm down there, one thing that I'm doing, since my head is already flipped over and the back of my hair is normally the one that takes the longest to dry, is I'm kind of just pressing the prongs of the diffuser right over my head, but I'm not leaving it on one section for long, maybe just a few seconds, and then I'm kind of moving to the next section, allowing the air flow to kind of, again, create more volume and just let it flow in there rather than just having the hair kind of just stick to the bottom of my head or my scalp. Okay, so once I feel like, I would say midsection to my roots on the inside are completely dry, that's when I start to go from the bottom to the top to kind of press the ringlets together, I guess, to create either more hold or like a tighter curl. So once this to this is dry, that's when I start going up and down gently, and then as it gets drier I can mess around with it a little bit more. Okay guys, so those were my updated tips on diffusing. As you can see, I have been able to maintain definition in my hair and I still have some volume. This is what I've been doing lately because of the length of my hair. Now if I were to shorten up my hair, that diffusing process might actually change again back to the old one, which again I will have linked here for you guys. The diffusing tips I think are still pertinent no matter where you are in your journey, so you can still watch and get something out of it. So if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when more videos are out. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.